So it's 3:29 p.m. on the 5th of August 2023. Detective Sergeant Luke Farrell with Erin Patterson at 84 Gibson Street in Leongatha. Thanks for your patience today, Erin. We're completing our search. The only outstanding item is that mobile phone that you've got there. So I'll seize that now from you at 3:29 p.m. Can you just pass it to me? Do you need, I've got bank card. Can I just have a look at it before you take it out?
Of course.
Yeah.
This sort of pops out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Will you get the pin code for that too?
Yes. So, as I sort of pointed out earlier today, there's a provision in the warrant that requires you to assist us to get into these devices. Is there a pin code on your phone?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
It's either 1315 or 131528. I can't remember which one.
131528. Yeah. How can I check that?
There. Is it opening? Oh, okay. Well,
Don't know one, mate.
no one. So there you
Okay,
go. Your job's easy.
Yeah. All right.
Morning. Want to do that now?
Homemade beef.
I'm going to share that as well. Anything you'd like to say,
Gee.
Mandy, Colin? Is there anything you'd like to say about the verdict? Are you surprised by the verdict?
What did your Erin Patterson have to say?
Will you be appealing
How
this?
did she feel, Colin? Will you be appealing this verdict? Colin, how do you feel? Erin sat very stunned.
Please stand. For the attempted murder of Ian Wilkinson, I sentence you to 25 years imprisonment. For the murder of Heather Wilkinson, I sentence you to life imprisonment. For the murder of Gail Patterson, I sentence you to life imprisonment. For the murder of Don Patterson, I sentence you to life imprisonment. All sentences are to be served concurrently. The total effective sentence is life imprisonment, and I fix a non-parole period of 33 years. Your offending, which resulted in the death of 3 people and near death of another, involved substantial premeditation. I am satisfied that by the 16th of July 23, when you unusually invited Simon, his parents and his aunt and uncle to a lunch without the children to discuss your non-existent medical issues, you did so with the intention of killing them all. You showed no pity for your victims. Instead of informing those treating the Pattersons and Wilkinsons that you had used foraged mushrooms, which you could have done without having to admit that you had deliberately poisoned their meals, you repeatedly denied foraging, insisting that the mushrooms for the beef Wellingtons were sourced solely from Woolworths and an Asian grocery. We will never know whether revealing the use of foraged mushrooms would have made a difference. The prosecution submitted that you must have anticipated that your victims would suffer in the way they did. I am satisfied of that beyond reasonable doubt. It is implausible that you would have selected death cap mushrooms without ascertaining how they would work upon your victims. Further, the devastating impact of your crimes is not limited to your direct victims. Your crimes have harmed a great many people. Not only did you cut short 3 lives and cause lasting damage to Ian Wilkinson's health, thereby devastating the extended Patterson and Wilkinson families, you inflicted untold suffering on your own children, whom you robbed of their beloved grandparents. Your failure to exhibit any remorse pours salt into all the victims' wounds. Having regard to the aggravating circumstances of your offending and the victim impact statements, I have no hesitation in finding that your offending falls into the worst category for the offences of murder and attempted murder. As the case law makes clear, the fact that it is possible to imagine even worse instances of such offences does not refute that categorisation. The gravity of your offending warrants the imposition of the maximum penalties for your crimes. You have effectively been held in continuous solitary confinement for the last 15 months, and at the very least, there is a substantial chance that for your protection, you will continue to be held in solitary confinement for years to come.
Thanks for coming out.
My purpose here today is to give some well-earned thanks. Firstly, to Victoria Police, in particular the Homicide Squad and the team led by Detective Stephen Eppingstall. They made a professional, efficient and effective investigation into what happened at the lunch. They brought to light the truth of what happened with the death of 3 good people. I'd like to extend gratitude too to the team from the Office of Public Prosecutions, led by Senior Counsel Nanette Rogers. The court processes are a little bewildering to lay people like me, and we're grateful for their expertise, their hard work and their perseverance that has secured this conviction. We're thankful that when things go wrong, there are good people and services and systems available to help us recover. That's all I wish to say for now. please respect our privacy as we continue to grieve and heal. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks very much. Guys, if we just step back and give the guys a bit of work, thanks.
Do you think that 33 years non-parole period was appropriate?